Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I was looking for cute pink tech on AliExpress as I'm usually doing, and I found this amazing microphone. It's not new, it has been here for a while, but I have seen some people review it after finding it, and it looked great, so I decided to order it. I was a bit scared of what I was going to receive, but it everything it corresponds, so I'm quite happy. It's sold by two main sellers according to some other unboxings I have seen, but the main brand seems to be Heartbeats. I did not get the one with the sticker behind the microphone. I chose this device because it's adorable. It looks like a magic wand and it is pink. I love when tech comes in pink. Yeah, it's superficial, but like that's what I liked. I also liked it because it came with the 3.5 jack port for monitoring, which is not that common for low value microphones. While unboxing it, I found the build quality to be amazing. It's not made of plastic. Nothing is made of plastic. So it feels quite heavy on the hand. It's very high quality. I don't know how they sell it for 50 bucks, honestly. The box comes with like your manual, your cables, and your microphone. That's it. The cables are white, which I think is a good change because they used to be black apparently. For this comparison, I will be comparing the heart-shaped microphone to the Fifine AM8 microphone. Both products go around the same price in AliExpress and Amazon, so around 50 bucks. And I have found that the price does vary quite a bit depending on the seller as well. I bought the Fifine AM8 in white as new but second hand, so there's no unboxing. I will be giving the raw sound and the sound edited with third-party software, and I will go more in depth in the choice and availability of the software or lack thereof after the comparison. My use case for the microphone is mainly Discord as well as narration for video and short formats. I am not a streamer, so I cannot attest to the efficiency of the device for this case. The tests are around 20 seconds each, so feel free to skip parts to check each individual test. I will leave the timestamps here and in the description, or you can skip to this timestamp if you want to get my final thoughts. Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered, weak and weary, over many a quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore, while I nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping at my chamber door. "'Tis some visitor," I muttered, tapping at my chamber door, only this, and nothing more. Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered, weak and weary, over many a quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore, while I nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping at my chamber door. "'Tis some visitor," I muttered, tapping at my chamber door, only this, and nothing more. Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered, weak and weary, over many a quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore, while I nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping at my chamber door. "'Tis some visitor," I muttered, tapping at my chamber door, only this, and nothing more. Distinctly I remember it was in the bleak December, and each separate dying ember wrought its ghost upon the floor. Eagerly I wished the morrow. Vainly I had sought to borrow from my books a seas of sorrow, sorrow for the lost Lenore, for the rare and radiant maiden whom the angel named Lenore, nameless here for evermore. Distinctly I remember it was in the bleak December, and each separate dying ember wrought its ghost upon the floor. Eagerly I wished the morrow. Vainly I had sought to borrow from my books a seas of sorrow, sorrow for the lost Lenore, for the rare and radiant maiden whom the angel named Lenore, nameless here for evermore. And the silken, sad, uncertain rustling of each purple curtain thrilled me, filled me with fantastic terrors never felt before. So that now, to still the beating of my heart, I stood repeating, "'Tis some visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door, some late visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door. This it is, and nothing more." And the silken, sad, uncertain rustling of each purple curtain thrilled me, filled me with fantastic terrors never felt before. So that now, to still the beating of my heart, I stood repeating, "'Tis some visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door, some late visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door. This it is, and nothing more." Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered, weak and weary, over many a quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore, while I nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping at my chamber door. "'Tis some visitor," I muttered, tapping at my chamber door, only this and nothing more. Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered, weak and weary, over many a quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore, while I nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping at my chamber door. "'Tis some visitor," I muttered, tapping at my chamber door, only this and nothing more. Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered, weak and weary, over many a quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore, while I nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping at my chamber door. "'Tis some visitor," I muttered, tapping at my chamber door, only this and nothing more. Distinctly I remember it was in the bleak December, and each separate dying ember wrought its ghost upon the floor. Eagerly I wished the morrow. Vainly I had sought to borrow from my books surcease of sorrow, sorrow for the lost Lenore, for the rare and radiant maiden whom the angels named Lenore, nameless here for evermore. Distinctly I remember it was in the bleak December, and each separate dying ember wrought its ghost upon the floor. Eagerly I wished the morrow. Vainly I had sought to borrow from my books surcease of sorrow, sorrow for the lost Lenore, for the rare and radiant maiden whom the angels named Lenore, nameless here for evermore. And the silken, sad, uncertain rustling of each purple curtain thrilled me, filled me with fantastic terrors never felt before. So that now, to still the beating of my heart, I stood repeating, "'Tis some visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door, some late visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door. This it is, and nothing more." And the silken, sad, uncertain rustling of each purple curtain thrilled me, filled me with fantastic terrors never felt before. So that now, to still the beating of my heart, I stood repeating, "'Tis some visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door, some late visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door. This it is, and nothing more." I know hearing me read Edgar Allan Poe was cringe as hell, but it was this or reading a discourse on voluntary servitude, so you choose. As you can see, I have used my local video editing software, which in my case is Filmora, as well as NVIDIA Broadcast. Other softwares exist, like OBS for example, however I could not get it to work on the heart-shaped microphone. I also tried Elgato's program, Wavelink, but it did not work either on the device, so a comparison in those cases could therefore not be done. For the sake of comparison as well, I decided to use the AI enhancement features of said programs to give you a demonstration. However, as you might have heard, it did not sound good, or in the case of NVIDIA, it changed my voice entirely. I know I have a weird Franco-Spanish accent, but come on. Overall, for transparency, I have decided to keep the Fifine M8, but not without doubting. I tried everything during a month to make the hard microphone sound better, but I always ended up having issues. However, my opinion of the heart-shaped microphone is still positive. It feels extremely well made, the aesthetic is incredible. It genuinely looks like a magic wand on your desk. Regarding the sound for the price, it's still very good. I'm sure you can make it sound good with other softwares if you manage to make it work. I have seen videos of creators making it work somehow, but the videos are a bit dated now and some programs don't exist anymore. And what I tried to make work, like, it did not work for me, unfortunately. I chose to keep the Fifine M8 as it looks quite good and I did not have to go through a whole software and set up acrobacy to make it sound good. It's much more plug and go. For Discord and narration alike, just enable NVIDIA's noise suppression and echo cancellation and you're good to go. Like, it starts when you start your computer and that's it. It's seamless. In fact, this is what I've been using for the narration of the entire video. I had to choose one of the two devices, but if you have any suggestions for other software or troubleshooting, I would be delighted to hear from you, as it kind of broke my heart, pun 100% intended, to return the device. I really liked it. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up or to subscribe if you like aesthetic tech unboxings. I also do clay crafts and room makeovers if you're interested, and I have a Pokemon themed crafting video coming next week. I hope you have a good one. Bye!